Hello my viewers, this is Zeni from keepitzaini. Today I'm making homemade halalcart style chicken and rice, just as delicious as you will find in New York. Let's get started. First up, we will marinate chicken. I've taken about 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, spices, salt, black pepper, turmeric. I have sumac and allspice. This is allspice, not garam masala. Then I have coriander powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, cayenne, and paprika. All the quantities will be in the caption in the comment section down below. Let's mix it up thoroughly. After mixing it up, I'm going to wrap it up, leave it in the fridge for an hour, or you can leave it overnight for a better result. Once ready to cook, either you can air fry it or you can cook it on stove top. Let's make halalcart rice. For the rice, you would need 2 cups of rice. I've already washed them. 3 cups of chicken stock. I did not have chicken stock on hand, so I used 2 chicken cubes and 3 cups of water, butter, salt, pepper, bay leaves, turmeric, and cumin powder. Heat 3 tablespoons of butter in Dutch oven on a medium flame. Once the butter is melted, we will add all the spices. Saute all the spices for a minute or so until all the spices are fragrant. Then you will add 2 cups of washed rice. Saute them again with all the spices and butter, and then we will add chicken stock to this. Bring the rice to boil. We will cover it and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat, and we will be right back. For white sauce, we will need mayonnaise ½ cup, garlic spread 1/4 cup, sour cream 3 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, salt, garlic powder, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of water. Let's whisk everything together in a bowl. Garlic spread, sour cream, lemon juice, garlic powder, and sugar. Mix it together, and then we will add 2 to 4 tablespoons of water till it reaches your desired consistency. Halalcart chicken is ready. I air fried it today, but you can also pan fry it. Let's cut it in small pieces so we can assemble the platter. Let's assemble the plate. Let's add some rice. Check this out. The aroma is so good. Let's do this. More if you're hungry. And they do serve it with pita bread. Let's drizzle this white sauce. And now my favorite part, taste test. Woohoo! Wow. And there you have it. This halalcart chicken and rice is fully packed with bold flavors. Bring this New York street food flavor straight to your home. Do try this and let us know in the comment section down below. Till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, keep it zany. Take care. Bye-bye.